Hi YouTube. Today we're gonna check for 1982. It's a Chevy C10 and the engine size is 5.0 right here. 5.0. Yeah, the car had running and a sound like a ticking noise. I would say this truck need a exhaust manifold gasket. Okay, we'll start the engine. Right. Start the engine. Sound of the muffler. The ticking noise came from the right side, right bank. Could be it came from the right side of the engine, the right bank. Sound like a ticking noise or knocking noise. Could be leaking the exhaust manifold or maybe leaking at a muffler. Alright, I will update. I will take off for the exhaust manifold and I check for the leaking and repair it. Okay, we'll update soon.